Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. I have my first Trendmood box in probably multiple years. So this is a sold out box, unfortunately, but all the items in here are new releases that you can pick up if there's something that strikes your interest. If you guys happen to not know what Trendmood is, it is an Instagram account that lets you know about all the new beauty releases, and they have these special limited edition boxes that you can try new items for way cheap. They do tend to sell out every time, so I don't always get them. Like I said, I haven't had it in years. I think this is volume number 25, so the 25th box they've ever done. But there were several items in here that were sneak peek that I was like, I really want that, and the value was totally there for me. I mean, we'll see. I haven't actually tried anything yet, but I got this for $38, and I think the retail value is $171. So super excited. I was going to break into this box and try some things on today, but when I opened it, it like was so well packaged. I'm like, let's just open it together. If I look or sound rough, I just got back from being on a little vacation, and then Emmy didn't let me sleep last night. I'm totally fine. It was super fun. But let's get this open and see what we got. I will do my best to link all the products below. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's so many things in here. So here it is. I don't know if they give us a sheet with any of the information, do they? Like maybe on individual items. Like sneak peek, there is some Natasha Denona in this. So how about we just start from, left to right. I'm so excited. So this is, oh, this goes with another item, doesn't it? Yeah. Cool, okay, so these come together. These are by Soft Services. I've never used this before, but I'm really excited about it. So what it is a clearing mist, medicated breakout tonic for your body. So I do have little breakouts on my body, especially now that I work out every day or most days, and it's really hot where I live. I feel like I do break out like on my back or my chest, so I was like, this is perfect. So this has zinc PCA with salicylic acid, so 1% salicylic acid treatment. So it looks like here is the treatment, and then we have a little mister, the fine mister reusable component. That's cool, they sell it separately, so you can just get the refill if you want to get this again. This is a clear, watery liquid with an herbal smell. Salicylic acid treats acne, boosted by zinc PCA and tea tree oils, antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Soothing ingredients balance the medicinal and drying effects. This is good for acne on the back, the chest, neck, and butt. I'm so immature. Workout-related bumpy skin, patches of discoloration. So you spray it on clean, dry body, skin areas prone to breakouts. You don't rub it in. Use it 3 to 4 times per week as breakouts persist, and then less often to prevent new ones from forming. I'm so excited about this. I think this one had a decent price. Again, does it say on here? So this is what it actually looks like. Let's look at them. And then here's the top. So yeah, super excited about this. I feel like this one's around $40 or $50, but again, I'm not positive. It's been a little bit since I looked at the spoilers for this. But let's move on to the next item here. I don't know if I remember this one. Okay, JVN, another brand I've never tried, so that's exciting. Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. Ooh, it's for your hair. I didn't blow dry my hair today. I just let it air dry, so it's looking okay. I got a haircut in Chicago and got more layers. It's a little bit shorter, but it's still super long. But I want to keep my hair healthier. That's like something I'm actually working on, so I'm excited about this. Let's look at it. So made with clean hemisqualane. It's silicone-free, sulfate-free, color-safe, and vegan. Apply to dry hair. It's a silky, silicone-free oil that instantly adds incredible gloss without adding weight. Oh, stuff like this usually lasts forever because a lot goes a long way. Ooh, it's a pretty bottle. Let's see if it has a smell. I'm not going to put it in my hair right now because I feel like it's looking okay, but I think this would be good because my hair looked a little dry before I showered today. Maybe it was because travel, or I don't know. It doesn't have much of a scent that I can tell. Just a light scent maybe, which I'm not mad at. So yay, I'm actually excited about this. I really do feel like this will last so long. If you guys have tried any of these items or these brands, let us know. I guess these are all new items, but. Next up, we have a little, we have a Natasha Denona mini. I actually just used one of the mini palettes like this. I think it was one of the first ones I got, but this is a Valentine's exclusive mini crush eyeshadow palette and eye brush gift set. Ooh, it comes with a brush too. So there's also this code here. Enjoy 20% at natashadenona.com with Trend20. I saw her gold palette and I'm really tempted. I decluttered most of my collection, but I do have like most of what I have now is Natasha Denona. It's just like my favorite eyeshadow brand, I think. And I was really tempted by that when I knew this was coming in the box. I mean, this is definitely nothing like the gold palette, but like now that there's this 20% off code, I'm like, oh, because it's like 60 something dollars. I don't know, we'll see. Have you guys tried that? But this is cute. So one of their mini palettes. This was the first one I got was the mini Lila. And I just used 2 of those shades on my eyes. It's probably pretty old, but I've never used a brush. So it comes with this little brush here. Looks like a packing brush. This is pretty. I don't always wear these shades, but I feel like, here, let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that feels nice. I've heard people say that the formula is different on the mini. I've never had one of the huge palettes. I have the like bronze palette. I feel like this isn't the best swatches ever. But I feel like there are really like buttery, and I do like that this is more light. Let's see if I can, yeah, like this one I think is just so like close to my skin color. I like that there's a lighter matte. I only have one light on here. But look at how that shimmer swatched. There, that's a little, oh, wow, yeah. That looks good. Nice. So 3 mattes and 2 shimmers, and I feel like these all would work really good together. Like easy for someone who's not super like creative or like is newer with eyeshadows, could easily use all of these together. I feel like I would definitely use like the first 3 a lot. I don't always go for darker like berries, but can be more experimental and try this out. So exciting. So that's interesting. And Valentine's Day exclusive. I'm like, what month is it? It's June. Is this coming out later? Or this is just the name of it. I don't know, but I'm always happy to get Natasha Denona, so super stoked about that. I'm gonna like wipe my fingers on the tissue in here. Ooh, this next thing I'm excited about. I never like used to be someone that gets really excited about sunscreen, but now I do. So this is my Vacation. I've never used them. But I've seen some of their releases. They have a lot of nice sunscreen options. This is Shake Shake SPF 50 Mineral Milk Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Facial Sunscreen. So I do put sunscreen on my face every day. Well, I have it in my foundation I use most of the time, the It Cosmetics CC cream, but on my walks in the morning, even though it's early, I still wear SPF on my face, so I definitely needed this. This is one of the things I'm like, okay, this is something I would need to buy anyways, something like this. And this one just looks really appealing to me. I think, let's look at it. It's cute. So I'm excited about this. So it's made with zinc oxide, if you're wondering what the active SPF is. So shake well, apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. I don't know, isn't this cute though? I think this is super cute. They have a bunch of different types of things. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, it is really milky. Hold on. So that's how it. Oh, oops, I still had a little bit of SPF on my, I mean not SPF, oh my god, see you can tell I'm tired and didn't sleep much. I still have some eyeshadow on here so it looks pink. Oops, my bad. But there's no white cast. It doesn't even, it has a little bit of a smell, but it smells good. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. I like that it's a thinner material because like the one I have right now, it's the Good Molecules one. No, I don't know. I can't remember what it is. What's the brand? But it's really thick, and I feel like it dries down really fast, and you can see the white on me if I don't rub it in right away. So I'm really excited to try this one out. And it's just so cute. Yay. Okay, let's keep going. So this one, this is kind of random, but I'm not mad at it. VITAMASQUES, is that how you say this? VITAMASQUES, SNOOZE hydrogel patches, melatonin. Oh, I thought there was like a B12 one. Maybe we just got one. I guess we could have gotten one of each. So there was either the melatonin one, Boost, which has like B12, and then Revive, which has matcha in it. So I got the melatonin one, which, hey, I didn't sleep well last night. I could use this tonight. And maybe that look, you can't see her, but she's sleeping right behind me so pleasantly. Like, she's fine that she didn't sleep last night. So there's 4 patches in here, formulated with the proprietary blend of melatonin, valerian root, GABA, magnesium, lavender, and chamomile. I've used similar things to this in the past, and I did like them. Yeah, it does have magnesium. I literally just read that, but I couldn't remember. So yeah, I'm excited about this. I think I would have preferred the B12 one, but again, I could use some good sleep tonight. I could also use some energy right now, but that's okay. So yeah, this one's more of a deluxe size. I wonder if they usually sell them in more, or if they always sell them in a 4-pack. So you just place this on the inside of your wrist and take your self-care on the go. When does it say to use this? Like, it can be worn up to 12 hours. I believe normally you put these on about a half hour before sleep, or at least that's how you take melatonin. So yeah, not necessarily beauty, but beauty sleep is so important. I can tell when I'm not as well rested. Look at my face and my skin. Next up, we have 2 jelly lip melts by Tony Moly in blackberry and what's this one? Watermelon, it looks like. Yeah, blackberry giblet. What? God, I'm so sorry, guys. You can tell I haven't filmed in a while. I'm tired. The blackberry jelly lip melt and the watermelon jelly lip melt. Ooh, the watermelon sounds the best. So are these kind of like Laneige sleep mask? Is that the one? My lips have been really dry. They're okay right now because I have gloss on, but when I woke up today, again, probably from being on a plane. Oh, this is what it looks like. It looks like a little actual Jello. Oh my god, I can smell. It smells good. So you twist it. Oh, it smells so good. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, I think this is really similar. I already have stuff on my lips. No, yeah, I won't put it. The lip gloss is kind of sticky. So I'm excited about this. I haven't used this brand in a long time. I've had sheet masks by them in the past. But yeah, so we have 2 of these, which are super cute and something I definitely will use. Oh, and it's good to see it says that they're cruelty-free. I was thinking in my head, like, have I not used them in a while because they weren't cruelty-free, but it says that they are. It is just the PETA one, but yay. Those are things I would definitely use. We have 2 more things left. The next is something new by e.l.f., which, by the way, is anyone picking up their new foundation? I'm so curious about it. If so, let me know. It's like the Satin Touch. Is that what it's called? Something with satin in it, or Soft Touch. And it's only $8, has great shade range, and I think I've seen positive reviews so far, so I'm curious. If you guys have tried it, let me know. But these are the e.l.f. Skin Bronzing Drops in Bronze 2, Pure Gold. Skin types, oily, dry combination. So, bronzer plus, oh, that's a different language. I was like, what does that say? Okay. Bronzer plus antioxidants, I think it's supposed to be. So I am curious what this will be like on me. I'm pretty fair. Very fair. I'm very shiny already, oh my gosh. My air conditioning broke today. They did come and fix it, but it didn't really cool down much before I got to filming. Pure gold. Okay, let's put some on this hand. Let's see. It's a little thick. When it said drops, I thought it would be more liquidy. So you can put this all over your face, underneath your foundation. Use it like bronzer. Since it's not too liquidy, I think this would be nice to use as like a cream bronzer. Ooh. But yeah, look at the difference. Can you really rub it out? It does look nice. So I'll have to try this under makeup, or yeah, when I rubbed it in more, it didn't stand out as much, the color difference. I always want to smell everything. I don't think there's really a scent. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. And the last thing, this is a mascara. Normally I'm not excited to try new mascaras, but I'm so excited that now like tubing mascaras are more mainstream and more companies are making them. This is a tubing mascara. So this is another thing that made me be like, I will actually use this because I use Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I only have one right now that I'm currently using, so I'm going to need another one. So M Cosmetics Pick Me Up Volume and Length Mascara. Yeah, I was just making sure. I'm like, this is tubing. Yeah, utilizing tubing and fiber technology, this volume building, lash extending, long wearing mascara encapsulates lashes in rich black pigment and doesn't flake, smudge, or run. This lightweight formula is sure to be your everyday pick-me-up, leaving lashes feeling soft and flexible, while provitamin B, hyaluronic acid, rice extract, and subbox help nourish and condition. So I'm not going to open it all the way right now because like I said, I have a current mascara open. But I usually don't get excited about mascaras when they're just regular ones because it's smudge, like I'm so oily like and sweaty because I live like in a sauna. I think it is like 96 degrees out today. Heat index, who knows? All right, it's cute. Looks just like the outer packaging. Oh, F it. Let's look at the wand. I'll use it soon. Okay, kind of looks like the Thrive Cosmetics in a way. I feel like a lot of tubing mascara wands look like this. Nice. So this is a lot of stuff. And again, I only paid $38, which is like one of the items probably. I'm pretty sure that, like, I'm almost positive 171 was the total value. I don't know all of the individual pricing. I will try and link everything down below along with Trendmood. I think I have a referral link like for the next box. I don't know if it works, but it saves you like the $2. Like they list it for $40. Well, they do change the prices from box to box, but this one was listed as $4, but there's a code I used to save $2. I'll put that down if I still have that. I don't know if that was just for the previous box, but overall, I'm super excited about this. We got Natasha Denona, that body spray I really was excited about, the mascara, yeah, everything. But the thing I'm probably the most excited about, well, honestly, what I'll probably use the most is the body spray. I'm hoping that really works well for me. And the sunscreen, and yeah, the Natasha Denona. These aren't the colors I always reach for, but they are very pretty. It is interesting. I'm like, Valentine's Day, what should they call it again? Oh, the Mini Crush. But where did I see the Valentine's Day thing? Did I make that up? No, it was on the box, right? Valentine's exclusive. So is this something that's been out before? You guys, will you let me know? I don't know. Maybe this is something that was out around Valentine's Day and they're just releasing it again for this box, or it's coming later on. I don't know. I really don't know because I thought these were all new things, but maybe not. I'm okay with it either way, but I would love to know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm gonna go and turn the air conditioning on and cool off a little bit. I hope you guys are well. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.